Nike and Stranger Things are teaming up once again for a special holiday 2025 release, coinciding with the show's highly anticipated fifth and final season. The collaboration features a two-pair Nike Dunk Low capsule, continuing the series' tradition of blending supernatural elements with vintage aesthetics. One of the standout colorways, dubbed Phantom, features cracked leather uppers, reverse Nike branding on the tongue, heel, and insole, and handwritten style text beneath the eyestays, all referencing the Eerie upside down. A pre-aged, yellowed midsole adds to the retro 1985 look, giving the sneakers a worn-in, relic-like appeal. Priced at $155 each, the pack not only celebrates the show's nostalgic roots but also serves as a collectible farewell tribute for fans.